Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a Krishna ji's drawing and painting in Bengal Art Style. I'm drawing it on the canvas and I'll paint it with acrylic paints. But it's your wish, you can make it on the paper with any kind of paints. Or even you can use crayons, pencil colors, you can use watercolors, poster colors, oil paints, whatever you like. I will be using acrylic paints and I'm doing on a canvas of size 30 by 30 centimeter. So my first step was to apply gesso on the canvas. I applied gesso on the canvas, let it dry. जब कैनवस सूख गया तब मैंने पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करा है. बेटर रहता है अगर आप एक पेपर पे ड्रॉ करें और फिर उसको कार्बन से शिफ्ट कर इधर ट्रांसफर कर दें इसके ऊपर, क्योंकि जितना भी इरेजिंग का काम होगा वो पेपर पे हो जाएगा और फिर हम येलो कार्बन से या जो भी कार्बन आपके पास अवेलेबल है या ट्रेसिंग पेपर से आप इसको ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं अपने कैनवस पे या फाइनली जिस शीट पे आप बनाने जा रहे हैं. क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम सब इतने एक्सपर्ट नहीं होते हैं और गलती हो जाती है. We all do the mistakes. So that's what I prefer to draw on the paper and then I transfer it. So let's start. So my canvas is of size 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter. So I have taken this scale and roughly I have drawn the lines on three sides. Actually I drew at the bottom also, but then I found Krishna ji's feet were coming down. So I have to erase that line. Okay, so our first step is to draw lines and we will color it. It will give us a border type look. It's better if we draw only on two sides and later on we can decide how to give background and all. Here I have shown some art, but this art is not circular. It's just rectangular art which we will fill with one simple color. Now, here we have drawn two earthen pots in which butter is there. Here also two earthen pots in which butter is there. After this, to make Krishna ji, just make a big O. Okay, I show you on the paper. See how I made this. I made a big O. Then here I showed a curve, brought the nose down, sharp nose, not too nice features, lips, a very big eye. This big eye is the specialty of this art style. A very big eye, and later on we'll show a white dot. Then a very, very big eyebrow. Now this head is going circular. Here in front of eye, this ear will start. This is also not realistic ear. It's just symbolic. Okay. Then here is the curve, and this is the Juda or Juttu of Krishna ji. Then peacock feather here, earring, a big earring, neck. Then this is the arm. Arm is coming like this. Then this is the hand, palm. They are not showing all the fingers and all, just showing the palm and butter on the palm. Here second arm is coming. Then again just one finger and butter here, curve, tummy. This is just the Bal Krishna. This is the cloth of Krishna ji. You can make it short, you can make it long. This is the cloth जो उनकी कमर में बंधा हुआ है, which is tied in his waist. Just simple thing. Show some earthen pots here. Earthen pots also is not shown in the round shape. Below this, another earthen pot. You can show in any shape, any size. That's up to you. Long, short. And similarly, show two earthen pots here. So this is our basic drawing. This is 30 centimeters. So at 15, we'll mark a dot and I'm drawing an arch. So from the top, I'll measure same distance, 6. This is an arch. I'm taking this dark red color, Indian red color. This is the arch, which is very common in old houses in North India. In fact, my house is more than 100-year-old in Agra, and we have arches in the whole house. For second layer of arch, I'm taking yellow color. We are going to mix little bit orange. This is orange and little bit brown. So this is brown. Please don't mix the colors on the top of painting. I'm doing this because I want to show you all that which colors I'm mixing. Okay, now it is very, very thick. So I'm going to add few drops of water in it. For paper, it's okay, but for canvas, it's not okay. So this is my color, almost like mustard, but dull mustard. I'm going to paint below the arch area all this second line with this paint. So once again, I have mixed yellow, brown and orange. Remember, this is only the basic coat. We will have to give a second coat. We have to do very slowly near the earthen pots. I'm taking this brown color, okay, and I'm filling it in the earthen pots. I've changed the color little bit, mix mustard again in the brown so that both the pots have different color. But we can keep same color. मैंने दूसरे पॉट में थोड़ा सा मस्टर्ड कलर मिलाया है, पर जरूरी नहीं है, आप सेम कलर भी रख सकते हैं. लाल रंग के मत बनाइएगा खड़े, क्योंकि मैं सोच रही थी लाल रंग की बैकग्राउंड देने की. अगर आप लाल रंग के घड़े बना रहे हैं तो फिर आप ब्लू कलर की बैकग्राउंड दीजिएगा. लेकिन क्योंकि हम कृष्ण जी में ब्लू रंग भरेंगे, इसलिए मुझे लगा लाल बेटर है. इसके ऊपर, घड़े के ऊपर जो हमने बंगाल अल्पना के डिजाइन सीखे हैं, उनसे हम डेकोरेशन करेंगे. मैं सेकंड कोट दे रही हूँ पड़ों पे. I'm applying second coat. I'm taking this big brush and I'll be using this mustard color for one more coat here. So this is our third coat. I'm using blue color. You can use light blue, dark blue, any color to fill the body and face of Krishna ji. This is bright yellow color, lemon yellow. You can show these with pink also, with flash tint also. This is orange paint. We call it patka. I don't know what do we call in English or in Bengali. This is dark green, sap green. Purple color. This is bright blue color, रॉयल ब्लू जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Sorry, I'll turn it little bit because everything is wet. This is white paint. So we are giving the second coat of mustard color here. First coat is dried now. Everywhere we have to give second coat and then we will do the detailing. Please try to draw a straight line. So this part is done. I'm going to take red color now for background. So this is crimson red. fine lines we can do with 000 number brush. Please do it very slowly because one stroke here and there will spoil the beauty of our painting. There's no hurry, we are not going for any competition. I have changed my brush because now very fine work. Okay, so red color part is over. With this, I take leave. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.